Welcome to Basic Python Programming. Episode 16, Python File Handling. File handling allows Python programs to read and write data using files. The open function is commonly used for this purpose. You can open a file using the open function with a mode like R for reading or W for writing. Closing the file is important after operations. Python supports reading files using readline, and readlines. These help access an entire file or specific lines. You can write to files using write or write lines. Write mode overwrites the file while append mode adds new content. The with statement is the recommended way to handle files because it closes the file automatically after use. This diagram explains how a file is opened, read or written, and closed automatically using the with statement. Here is an example showing how to write to a file and then read the same file. When this program runs, it prints the text stored inside the file. This example opens a file in write mode, writes text to it, and then closes the file. The output of example 1, writing to a file is as follows. File, example.txt, created with text. Hello Python. Here we open the same file in read mode and print its contents. The output of example 2, reading a file is as follows. Hello Python. This example adds a new line to the existing file using append mode. The output of example 3, appending to a file is as follows. Text appended to the file. This example uses the with statement to open and read the file line by line. The output of example 4, using with statement is as follows. Hello Python. Welcome to file handling. Here are 5 exercises for you to practice. Try writing these Python programs by yourself to strengthen your understanding. Exercise 1. Create a text file and write a welcome message inside it. Use the open function with write mode and write a short message before closing the file. Exercise 2. Read the contents of a file and print them line by line. Use a loop with readline or readlines to display each line. Exercise 3. Append new text to an existing file and display the updated content. Use append mode to add text and then open the file again in read mode. Exercise 4. Write multiple lines into a file using a loop. Use a for loop with write to add several lines to the file. Exercise 5. Use the with statement to read a file and count the total number of lines. Use a counter variable inside a loop to count lines and print the final count. Thank you for watching episode 16. Stay tuned for the next episode in this basic Python programming series.